Hello and good evening. I'm Cheryl D'Souza and you're watching Goa 365. Our headlines for the day. State government reduces VAT to control fuel price. 256 houses to be constructed by the Goa Rehabilitation Board. Goencha Rampun Karanso Airport gives 48 hours deadline to the government to move the trans-shipper from Karanzale. Goa Marathi Mahotsav underway. The Digambar Kamath-led government completes 1 year in office tomorrow. Let's see the opinion of the Aam Aadmi. Those were our headlines. Now for the news in detail. In order to bring some relief to the common man after the fuel price rise by the central government, the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath reduced the value-added tax by 2% on petrol and diesel and 4% on cooking cylinders yesterday.
Friends, recently there was a hike in the prices of petrol, diesel and LPG. Now, in order to give relief to the people on account of this hike in the prices of petrol, diesel and LPG, we have decided to reduce the VAT on petrol from 22% to 20%. There is a reduction of 2%. Diesel, it is proposed to reduce VAT on diesel from 21% to 19%. And LPG domestic, it is proposed to reduce VAT on LPG used for domestic purposes from the existing 4% to 0%.
Briefing media persons, Mr. Kamath disclosed the rates which would be effective from today.
Petrol will be cheaper by nearly 84 paisa. Diesel will be cheaper by 64 paisa. And LPG may be cheaper by 9 to 10 rupees.
He said that this would have an additional burden of 21 crores on the state revenue.
Net financial loss to the government on account of this could be around 21 crores.
Mr. Kamath said that this decision was taken on the request of the UPA chairperson Mrs. Sonia Gandhi.
See, Congress president had requested all the chief ministers to take steps to reduce this in the sales tax on these products in their states.
Further speaking, Mr. Kamath said that they have given in principle acceptance to the recommendations given by the Suresh Amonkar committee, which was constituted to look into the translation of history textbooks of Marathi medium.
On the request of many people that the book of history which was translated in Marathi, there are too many mistakes, and they said that translation mistakes and all that. I had put up a committee under the chairmanship of Suresh Amonkar. Now Suresh Amonkar committee, they have submitted a report recommending that the book should be withdrawn and the translation should be done afresh by appointing a committee. The government has in principally accepted the recommendation. I have told the education department to appoint a committee, give them a time limit and to complete the translation.
The Goa Rehabilitation Board will be laying the foundation stone for the construction of 256 housing units at Headland Sada for those affected families from Verna to the harbour on the 8th of June at the hands of the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. The housing units are to rehabilitate the affected families of the 4-lane highway from Verna to the harbour.
Foundation stone of 256 housing units to the project affected person in 4 blocks to be constructed at Headland Sada for the project affected families of 4-lane highway from Verna to harbour.
He also expressed that the Ministry of Shipping, Road, Transport and Highways has been stressing on the 4-lane connectivity and said that it was needed to decongest the traffic.
The Marmagua Port in Goa is presently connected with mainland through National Highway 17A, passing through the congested area like village of Chikali and the city of Vasco da Gama. Now the movement of the port traffic becomes difficult due to the congestion of vehicles of the residents and the other road users. In order to provide the better connectivity to the port and to decongest the heavy traffic which is currently passing through the heart of Vasco da Gama, the existing state highway from Ponda to Marmagua port via Bori to Verna Junction will be connected with this 4-lane highway from Verna Junction to Marmagua harbour.
The estimated cost of this project, he said, would be around 11 crores and informed about the division of the work.
256 tenements, they are divided into 4 blocks and work is entrusted to 4 different contractors.
We'll spill into a commercial break. Stay with us.